Welcome to part 4 of unboxing Arirang. So let's start off with this black thing. Wow, oh my god, look at it. It's like so beautiful. I think these are the CDs. Oh my goodness. Look. And for our last thing, this. Okay, here. Whoa! Something I've noticed that they keep mentioning stuff. Wow. I love their selfies. Their selfies are so cute. Ooh. Oh wow. Amount of messages they've wrote for this. Letters from each member to the army. They're so precious. And that was the last part of unboxing Arirang. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which was your favorite item. Love you guys so much. Bye.